Now, from them see the face, them know say a DJ Invader. You see me? Yeah. Much love and respect for the views them. To one and all. You see me? Yeah. Now this boy when him Jamaican P. Where a true word and a true word same way all when me don't see it. Then Jamaican P, I saw you want going at the new year. Pussy. I saw you want going at the new year. Alright. Boom. Jamaican P, you have to tell the people them say you're on child support, you know, you're not take care of your blood clot picnic them. You not take care of your picnic them, Jamaican P. You have to tell the people them say you're on child support. Big pussy. You're running in and a chat about Tamale, Spice and this and y'all at this beanie man and a go on with a bag of thing. And you know tell the people them say you depend blood clot child support and your picnic them not like your germs. Your picnic them not like you know Jamaican P. Them not like you, that's why them mama take them from your nasty ass. Yeah, don't you not tell people that? Oh, you not tell people that. Say you there your yard, you play home alone. If you drop down in the house, you're not nobody for turn to. Nasty shit. You're not nobody for turn to. If you drop down in the house, you dirty blood clot, yo. Eh? Oh, you not tell the people them that Jamaican P. You have to tell the people them that Jamaican P. So y'all ride your face like tricycle. You have to tell the people them that. You have to tell the people them say a DSI you pay your rent, Jamaican P. You live in the projects a DSI you pay your rent. We know what go on Jamaican P. We know where you are going with Jamaican P. You don't know nobody. You're Jamaican P. Stop throw shades per man. And go and focus on what you are doing and stop focus on what me I do. Pampas face Jamaican P. Or what do you Jamaican P? Yeah, tell people about Ray and this are youth and L.A. Lewis. You look like you like L.A. Lewis, you know, because every blood clot video you do, you talk about L.A. Lewis and Footer Hype. Free Footer Hype. Yeah, free Footer Hype because Footer Hype is a rebellious youth. Footer Hype is a youth where talk for everybody. Them say him love chat and blah, 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 blah. But him touch some real good blood clot point when enough of we as West Indian people can relate to. Footer Hype touch enough topic when enough of a big pussy in our touch. Like you Jamaican P. Jamaican P, you come like Raga Shanty, you come like mix up. You mix up no bomber cloud. You mix up Jamaican P. You come like Raga Shanty. And you want come step to real man a road. Eh? And you picnic them never remember your Jamaican P. Eh? You picnic them not even remember you because the woman take out the picnic them from you because you not mind the picnic them. And you not tell the people them say you're on fucking child support because you're not taking care of your kid. Germs. You not tell your fans them that. You not tell your viewers and all your subscribers them that. Eh? Or you not tell them that. And you want to come run and come chat to people. Like you is anybody Jamaican P. Eh? You is anybody Jamaican P? You can't answer me about Jamaican P. You're scared of me. Me don't say you're scared of me. Pussy, because you want to know how me know so much things about you. And all of this. Eh? And some of your viewers and your subscribers them talk about. They don't know that the youth, they know the woman. They don't know that the woman they know say Jamaican P did a video. Big pussy girl. You are the next one. Yes. You may attack where you comment on Jamaican P. Yeah, me attack. You, germs. Yeah, you may attack, girl. Eh. People follow this idiot and people see the car. The woman all know Jamaican P license plate. And me have to look at the lady and say, hey, ma'am, it's not serious. Jamaican P is just a little comedy, man. A comedy in the on YouTube and people get a laugh and boom, bang, 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 bang. You understand what I say? And we not take it out of context. And me have to tell the lady, say, yo, loud that. And if I know, I come run to the thing and I talk about, go suck your mama. That you know to do. Yeah. Because you know, listen what we have to say. You take negative thing too serious. That we don't know. Because we Jamaican people, you should look on them and say, hey, big pussy boy Jamaican P. With a big dirty red piss pad cup where you are beating. You have to ease yourself and not fuck with people like that. But no, wanna jump up on a hey Jamaican pay, hey bacon smoke and baby icky sticky bicky. Eh. And that you not do. And that you not do, man. But you don't know me and some loyal people who have view my thing and can look in at what me and say, Johnny, what you know, say rare. You understand? You can't even dislike the video. I feel no way. I'm not losing a pin. But me have to clap back on him and make him know so Jamaican P use a pussy. Use a big pussy. You don't know people subscribe to my thing, you know, DJ Invader, you know. You see me? I may come with some latex context right now, you know. You see me? Yeah man, cause me come with some cooking thing. Cause me not follow up Jamaican P and the tracing and back and we already know who is Jamaican P and where him do. I just saw him get film from him. Now I'm picking them to play with. The woman take what they picking them and divorce him long time. So now just subscribe to my channel and me have some whole heap of thing. Some whole heap of food thing. I'm a food channel me a build. You understand what I say? So now just take all the time with me and look into what me I do. Curry, oxtail, brown stew, goat, some whole heap of things, barbecue chicken, some whole heap of things me I go out in a foreigner. You see me? So now just take all the time and just watch it. Yeah man, I'm a thank you for come view my video and see what it's all about. You understand what I say? Yeah man. Blessings to the loyal viewers them. Subscribe to my thing for more context and we're gonna take it from there. You understand? DJ Invader. Blessings.